Hi guys, in this video I'll talk about the MBA for people with more work experience. Every week I get the question from students that I have more work experience. Should I go from MBA or should I just focus on a job? So let's talk about that part first. So I'm taking up different MBA colleges, 5 different MBA college and talking about their stats. So this is the top B school. I am Calcutta. 27% of the batch have the work ex of more than 2 years. Out of 444 students, 27% are with 2 year plus work ex. So you're not the only one. 1 to 3 year work ex 31%, less than that 22%. So if I divide it here, 27 plus 1, 58% of the batch have work ex of more than 1 year. With 2 year plus 27%, you're not the only one there. Let's take one step lower than that. We'll talk about the IFT college. Freshers or up to 1 year work ex, they have divided as per the work ex. Up to 1 year work ex, number of people 40%, 23 months of work ex 32%. So if I join them together, 72% of the batch have work ex of less than 24 months. But 24 plus 9 and 19, 28% of the batch is there with more work ex. See, if you're earning a good package, already earning a package around 15 to 20 lakhs, then you might not be watching this video. If you're watching this video, this means you are earning a package of less than 15 lakhs. So yes, so you have to plan your MBA. You should go for MBA because 28% of people have thought like you and went for their MBA. Out of them, 47% are IT. Most of them might be engineers. 11% finance. Sales and marketing 7%, consulting 9%, operations, supply chain 17%, and manufacturing company 10%. That's the breakup of the batch at IFT. MITI college, let's take one step further down from that. Freshers 21 students, only 9% of batch is freshers. Yeah, up to 19 months they have put here as 13% or 26% of the 28%. I'm sorry, I lost my track. So 24, I got actually lost track on 24%. So these are the students who are less. So if I join them together, 22% of the batch is earning less salary, have less work ex. But look at here, up to 36%, 56% of the batch have very strong work ex. And here, 22% of the batch have got more than 36 months of work ex. 22% of the batch. In my college, we had a student who was 26 years of age. All of us were in the range of 23 to 24. He was 26, 27 range. We used to call him uncle. 2 साल हमें अंकल, प्यार से अंकल, ऐसा अंकल दिखता नहीं था, हमारी उम्र का ही था, but used to call him uncle. We got an average package of 12 lakhs. Uncle got a package of 18 lakhs. So all these people here, if you go back to the relevant work ex, yeah, conditions apply obviously, you will be earning a 1.5 time more package. Yeah, lot of B schools have a lateral hiring ka thing as well. So will be hired literally. Now IIM Ranchi, let's look at IIM Ranchi. Out of the PGDM batch of 180 students, 50 students are freshers. Let's leave them apart. 36 work ex plus 12% of the batch have more work ex. Out of 180, 12%, not a bad number. 18, 20 people are there with work ex of more than 36 months. All I'm trying to say by giving different example, you're not the only one doing there. There are many people like you. If you have done great in your career so far, great. You don't need to do MBA. But if you're struggling or if you need to improve, please remember all these freshers, even these freshers from IIMs are earning a package of 20 lakhs. If you with 5 years of work ex is earning a package of 10 lakhs or 12 lakh, क्या उखाड़ लिया भाई? That's why you should go for MBA. This is my recommendation. Up to 5 years, yes, you can go for the MBA. Okay, last example I am picking up here is of Symbiosis College. Here, freshers 24 and laterals 106. So again, more mature profile. And this will With this I'll rest my case. Freshers 24, more than 24 months of work ex, more than 50%. Yeah, more and more people are going for MBA now, and with especially recession and coronavirus hitting on, more and more people will go for MBA now. This is the right time to go for MBA. Like this is the right time to invest in stock market, same way right time to go for MBA. All right. So at CET King, we're launching our program. In description box I given the link where you can join our program for books, mocks and shortcuts. So you want to join, please, most welcome. Yep, let's crack CAT and other exams. So I've given you top college to the nth college and discuss their batch profile. All the best.